So, a very good morning, children, and a very happy, prosperous new year to all of you. I hope your vacations spent were good. Your Christmas time was good. Your New Year time was good. You all enjoyed your holidays? Yes or no? You enjoyed? Okay. So now we are back to our studies. All right. So here, as you must have gone through the CBSE guidelines, there are few guidelines given by CBSE according to which one activity is being included now by CBSE board. The name is art integration. Now I'm going to brief you about that activity and projects that you have to make. Okay. And let me give you the time also. The last date to submit the project is 16th and today is 4th, and this is the date given by the school. Okay, so last date to submit your projects is 16th January. Okay, and projects, the subjects that you have to make projects on are English, Hindi, social studies, science, maths. So total 5 projects you have to make, and these projects are compulsory and mandatory. Why? Because this is a new guideline or activity, you can say, given by CBSE board. It is about the Indian culture, Indian art, so that with the studies you will be able to study, you will be able to understand, you will be able to know about the different cultures of different states of India. So in class 5, what we have to cover in this, we have to cover which state? We have to cover Meghalaya. All right. We have to cover Meghalaya. So in English, socials, maths, and science, I'm going to give you the projects. Hindi project, your Hindi ma'am will give. Okay. And no need to worry because projects will be of maximum 2 to 3 pages only. Pages of punch paper. All right. Pages, one side rule and one side plain. The normal punch sheets, you all know how it look like. So first page will be common for all the subjects. On the first page there will be heading, then there will be the name of the subject, then there will be the your name. All right, I'm going to show you the image and I'm going to give you the PDF also so that it is clear to you how the first page has to look like. Okay, your name, heading, teacher name, the subject name, and the topic on which you have to make the project. All these things are going to be on the first page. Then on the second and third page, you have to write about the topic. Now, what you have to do, you have to do two things in the topic. First, you have to stick the pictures related to it. If you get the pictures, very good. If you don't get the pictures, take out the printout, do the cuttings, stick it. And if you are very good in drawing, you can draw the picture also. All right. And then on the right hand side, that is on the rule side, you have to write about that topic. So these projects will be interesting and they will not be boring at all. Why? Because they are not very long projects. 2 pages punch paper projects you have to make. For example, now English. This is our English class. So we are going to cover about the famous poets of Meghalaya. So I'm going to give you one PDF which in which it will be one poet will be there and image will be there. So what you have to do is you have to stick the image of that poet on the left hand side and you have to write about that poet something on the right hand side of the page. Plus, if you want to write the poems written by him, you can also write the poems. Decorate the project and keep it ready. Tie it with a knot or any string or any ribbon. Make it colorful, make it good looking, and then you have to submit on 16th. This will be for all the subjects, my subjects. Clear? So today in English, I'm going to give you one poet name and I'm going to brief you also about how you have to write, what you have to write. Okay, first you have to prepare the first page. That will be common for all the subjects. Second page, on the left hand side, stick the picture of the poet. If more than one pictures you get, very good. Basically, you all know how to make projects, right? You have to make it as colorful, as good looking, as neat, because you'll be getting marks on it. It is a compulsory activity given by the CBSE board. So, how to make projects, I have briefed you. On the left hand side, you have to stick the pictures. On the right hand side, you have to brief about the topic. Then you have to write the poem of that poet. Any poem you can search from YouTube or Google and write. But the project should not exceed more than two punch papers. Okay. First page will be your name, class, section, topic name. That I'm not counting. Second page and third page. Total, there will be three pages, out of which first page will be common for all, and second and third page will be your project. Is it clear to everybody now? How you have to do that is clear. Okay. And same thing you have to do for all the subjects. Same thing. And don't get confused. I'm going to give you the PDF also of all the subjects. For example, this is English class. So I'm going to give you the PDF of English so that it will be clear to you what you have to do. What else you can do is you can add on to it. It is not necessary that whatever I have given to you, you have to write that only. You can write that you have to write. But if you want to add on anything else, within those pages only, do not exceed more pages. I want total 3 pages. First page is your name, class, section. Second and third page your project. Okay, if any space is left or you want to add on something, you can add with yourself. Okay, but do not, good morning, but do not exceed the number of pages. Clear? Hania has joined just now. Yes, Kshitij. No, you have to make the project on punch papers. No, beta, you have to make the project on punch papers. There will be total 3 punch papers. First, your name, class, section, topic, roll number. Second and third will be your project pages. Then you have to tie those 3 pages with a ribbon or a knot or anything, any string, any colorful string. Decorate it, keep it with you, and whenever I am going to ask, then you have to submit it. The papers will be submitted, not the PDF. Okay, punch papers will be submitted, and make sure you keep the images. You make sure you keep the images also with you. By chance, if by from school instruction come to send the PDF, then you can send the PDF also. But be ready with both the things. Means be ready with the punch paper also, and make a PDF and keep it with you. Be ready with both the things. And no need to worry, no need to get panic. I'm going to give you the matter. You have to write that matter. If you want to exceed or you want to add on, then you can do. Okay. And only two pages will be there. So no need to worry. 10 days are there. 16th is the last date to submit the projects. Now you want me to show that PDF to you? Okay. I'm going to give you the PDF. Go through it carefully. See the first page. First page will be common. Everybody, all of you have to write the same thing that is written on the first page. Heading, topic, teacher guidance, your name, roll number, all right, class, section. That page will be common. Second and third page, you can write what I have given you, plus you can write more about it. That depends on your creativity. Second and third page depends on your creativity. Yes, Manvi. Yes, Manvi. You are asking anything, Manvi? Okay, then who is asking? Ritisha? Yes, Ritisha. Yes. On the second and third page, you have to stick the pictures related to the topic. Whatever topic you have got. Not in English, you have got the poem. So related to, you have to stick pictures related to the poet, related to that poem. In science, you will get something else. So you have to stick the pictures related to that topic. Whatever is your topic, the second and third page, plain side, you have to decorate and stick the pictures. And on the right side, you have to write about the topic. Is that clear to everybody? And then second and third page is totally about your creativity. You can decorate it, you can write it, you can color it as beautiful you can make it. What, Manvi? Yes, of course, you have to decorate it. Okay, decorate it the way you want. English project is clear to you. I'm going to give you one poet name and you have to select the pictures, take out more pictures about that poet, take out more pictures about the poem. Okay, and write the poem, write about it, color it. Clear to everybody? Is there any other query or question that you want to ask related to the project? File you don't have to make, beta. Just three pages you have to tie together and keep it with you. These instructions I will give you later, how you have to submit, when you have to submit, and where you have to come and submit. Whatever will be the instructions, that will be given later. Beforehand, just now what you have to do is you have to make it and be ready. Okay? Yes. Yes, you can write it. You can write it with colorful pens also. But make sure it is very neat and clean. I don't want dirty work because this project, the CBSC people will come and going to recheck also anytime before the final exam. So CBSC people will come and they are going to recheck the project. So please make sure that you do it very neatly. And it is a compulsory project, so each and everyone have to do it. Otherwise, it will be a great problem for your final exams. It is a compulsory. You can go in Google Net and search about this project. It is being given by the CBSC, included by the CBSC and Government of India, that art and cultural activities project has to be included for children from classes 1 to 10. So all children from classes 1 to 10 have to make these projects. 11, 12 also. Are you getting it? So it is a mandatory and compulsory activity included by CBSC, and it is not tough also, very easy. No need to worry, no need to get panic. You all know how to make projects. And it is not a very lengthy project also. It is a fun activity. Only 3 pages total will be there, in which one page will be your name, roll numbers. Second and third page depends on your creativity. Whatever you write, whatever you stick. Okay. So this much is for English. Now I'm giving you the PDF. You go through it and try to understand. Then we are going to meet in the maths class. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.